Good morning everybody, Miles from Supertech Electronics, and we're going to show you how to remove a Maserati Bose amplifier. You will need a few tools today: a pair of pointy nose pliers, a plastic spudger, one Phillips head screwdriver, a Torque 30 screwdriver, and a Torque 25 screwdriver, one 8mm socket and one 10mm socket. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to pop those there for a second. First part we're going to remove is this section here. Really easy. Pull straight up. We're going to put that aside. And then we're going to take out this section here. Now it is held in with 4 screws. Once you remove those, this whole part will come out, just like that. The next section is this section here. It's held in with 1 screw there, a Phillips head screw. Take that out, then it will just unclip. And we'll put that aside for the time being too. Okay, this part here has to come out next. It is held in with four screws with plastic caps. You'll need to pop the plastic caps off using your spudger and then undo the screws, and then this whole part will come out. Just like so. And we'll put that aside too. Okay, now this section here needs to come out next. It's held in with the Torque 30 screws. We've already got ours loose. Once you've undone those, that whole section will come out. Okay, so this part here is held in with these little screwy guys, plastic screws. You can just unscrew those, and there's one hidden one up under here, under a cover. Okay, so we're going to, this part here doesn't actually come out. We're going to feed that through there, and we're going to start by lifting this section over these where we had the plastic screws. And now on the back of that there is a cable for the cigarette socket. You'll need to take that out before you take this part away. Okay, so this is the Bose amplifier. Now it is held in with one 8mm socket, one 8mm bolt, and 2 up the top. You'll need to remove those, remove this one down here, and now the whole Bose amplifier will come out. Okay, so the Bose amplifier is held in with 3 electrical sockets. This one here, you'll need to pull the blue little clip back and then pull the center pin and pull it out. The green plug, you can just push the center pin and pull it back. And once again, this last one is held in with a blue clip. Pull it back and press the center pin and pull it back. Okay. Now we'll need to remove the Bose amplifier from this bracket to send off for repair. So you'll need to undo those 3 bolts, and then that amplifier can be sent off to Supertech Electronics for repair.